Hello all. My data is about automobile sales data. So it consists of various fields like order number, quantity ordered, price of each of the quantity ordered, like the status of the ordered, whether it may be shipped or finished or cancelled, and product line. So we have different kinds of products like motorcycles, cars, trucks, buses, vintage cars, planes, ships, and trains in my data. So each of the product consists of different product code. So for example, let us take motorcycles. So motorcycles has a unique code, whereas cars has a unique code. You can see the product code and even the customer names, address, details, city, like the location. And when coming to the deal size, so deal size is like what quantity they have been ordering. Like we have the small quantity, medium, and large. So this is the brief intro of my data. So, firstly, we need to check whether our data is clean or not. So, what to do with that? So, firstly, I'm selecting entire my data. So, I'm just fitting it to my row height and my column width to look it beautiful. Then I'm changing all my headers to the bold. Now, my data seems to be uneven. Since you see, my dates are even uneven. So I want to change everything into my single line. So I'm just merging all to the left side corner so it looks neat and clean. Now let us look for blank spaces. So now let us go to find, go to special blanks. Since we have received a message saying that no cells were found, so my data doesn't have any null counts. So now, sorry. Now let us go for the in this data, you can even sort it via like filter it. Let us see, we have countries like USA, France, Australia. We have so many countries over here. So now, for example, I'll show you how we can filter the country. So you have filters. So you can select not only, so as of now, I'm selecting USA. So you can see only USA data. This is when coming to not only this, you can select anything. So I'm doing now selecting all, and restating it to the back normal. So this is all my data. Since you and one more thing, now I'm going to find any find all only the blank values. Since my data has just no blank values, that's fine. It says like it has the names. So that doesn't matter. And my data doesn't have any or null values anywhere. So we are good to go with the data. So this is all about data cleaning. So this is all about data cleaning. Now let us go to Tableau. So once I'm done with this document, I'm just saving it and just closing this document. Yeah, save. Now I'm going to Tableau. How to connect Tableau? So since it's our Excel file, so go to Excel file over here, and this is the last updated one. Open. So now this is the Tableau sheet. Now I'm going to do each visualize, like this is our data we have, and now I'm going to create some visualizations and the data dashboard. So firstly, it's just drag. You can easily play with Tableau. So this is my data. When coming over here, you have like various data from 19. I have selected like order date and the order number. So it is now it consists of all the data. It shows just the in the range of this data. So now I'm just filtering it accordingly. Only let us say I just need the data in 2018. So I'm just doing it as 2018. So here, my data all got filtered. Now, I'm going label. Yeah, my entire data is labeled now. Now let us write how to write the title name. So I'm clearing it off. So I'm just giving you title as bar chart showing the sales of order number and order date in the year 2018. So bold, italics, mhm, Times New Roman. Okay. I have changed my title too. Now this is the way you can change shading worksheet. I'm changing, going to change my color. Queen. See, you have changed it. Now header. Hmm. Now we have completed the first visualization. If you want, you can give even the summary. Summary. Yeah. So this is my first visualization. Similarly, we can create 9 more visualizations with the same data. So I'm taking the quantity ordered and the country. So these are the different type of visualizations here you can select. So I'm selecting this. So the quantity ordered, I'm just giving it in label. And since the country is already in label, it doesn't require. If you want to change the colors of this, you can change it. So here, and let me give summary for this too. So this is the summary. I'm changing the title. Whole. So I have given that. You can even change the background as shown. Format changing. I'm just changing it to look nice and clear. Mhm. So this is my second visualization. So the sales of quantity ordered from various countries. So as we have seen with the second visualization, now proceeding with the third. So this is of the sales of the country. Here I'm just selecting the sales and the country. So these are the like different. So I've given even the summary count for this. Now I'm going to do with the if you want, I'll give the labels for the sales. So I'm coming. Yeah. So here is my label. As we can give even the label for that, but it's not necessary since we have already done with the since it's already the countries, so we don't have to do the labeling again for the countries. So now let us go for the sheet 4. So now this is the bar graph showing the quantity ordered and the sales of the order. So here I have taken the status. So we can see we have like three types: cancelled, resolved, and shipped. As you know, like when we ship, like when we ordered something, we not only over here, automobile, we generally see the stage. So similarly, it has like, according to my data, it has the shipped, resolved, and the cancelled. So this one shows like the majority of the data is being shipped. So it's I have just labeled it the status. Since it's already a bar graph, it's already visible. So there is no need for doing the labeling for the bar graph again. So we have seen four visualizations as of now. So let's go to the fifth one. So here I'm selecting the prices and the deal size. Oh, it shows me different one. Let me do a pie chart. So since it's a smaller view, I'm selecting its entire view. Now I'm writing the deal size in the label and the price, how much is it. So now I'm leaving the title, automobile sales, showing the deal size and their prices. It doesn't need to be italic. I'll just change the color to red. Okay. So here's my seed. If you want, we can change the format, shading, pink. There you go. So once we are done, here we have the summary and the deal size. So this is our visualization showing the pie chart with the deal size. And we can see here, like the majority of the is medium. So next go to our next data sheet, data visualization. Now, let us go with the sixth visualization. I'm going to select here cities and the quantity ordered. So different type of map. Let us go to the heat map. So I'm doing for the average. So even average over here. Now I'm giving the label for the quantity, how much they have ordered. And if you want, you can, like sometimes in some cases, we don't know like what country and what city it belongs. So if you want, you can even, so Brisbane belongs to USA. So among these, like the average, so you can find the New Bedford with 127 is the highest. So not only like 120 New Bedford, you can even find 113 NYC, 194 Madrid, Spain. So these are all the highest ones, which the average of the quantity ordered is more in the particular year, like in the entire quantity order. You could see that. So let me give the title for this. So average of the oh, I think it. Yeah. So this is the average of the quantity which we are. If you want, you can change the colors. I'm okay with that. Now, let us go to the next data visualization. So now let us proceed for the seventh visualization. So here I'm taking the price each and the order date. So here you can find the different bar graph. So here it consists of from 17 to 19, 2017 to 2019. So I'm giving the order date in the label. You can't give the, if you give the order date in the label, the date reflects. So it's rather than giving the order date in the label, I could just give the price each so that you could see it. Now, if required, I'm changing the color. Sorry, I change the color to red or pink. And border to some dark color, just to play with it. Now I'm giving the title name as the bar graph showing the order date and the different prices. Now here you can set the format, shading. Yeah, you can give something random color. Yeah, this looks perfect. So this is all about our the seventh visualization. Now let us proceed to the next visualization. So the next visualization which we are going to do is the deal size and the quantity ordered. So you have the deal sizes as small, large, as medium, as shown. We can just select the pie chart since it's way standard view. I'm selecting it as entire view. Now I can give the quantity ordered in the label and the deal size also in the label. So here. So as already said, you can see the highest is medium. So I'm giving the title for this now. So here. Now I'm going to change the color shading. So here is a visualization. You can give the summary if required. Give the summary. Mhm. Let me see, like if I've given the summary for this summary. Mhm. Yeah, for the rest of, oh, I missed for the fourth one. So this is our eighth visualization. Now let's go for the next one. Now, let us see a different type of visualization now. Sales of the country. Uh, you can select the map from here. Yeah. So this is also a symbol map so that stating the symbols. So I'm just giving the country label and the sales label. So you can see the highest is the Sweden, which is 16,000, which has a order, and USA. It looks big, but the orders are more from USA when rather than Sweden. If you want, I can give the title to. Oh, mhm. Oh my God. We can just write sales of the country. Okay. So here, if you want, you can change even the format to. Mhm. So this is my ninth version, and this is my 10th visualization. This is based upon the order number and product line, which I've already made extra visualization. So this visualize, I'll explain you like what all is in this visualization. So this visualization is about cars, like the product, like what product and their odd number, like how many orders they have been given. So while seeing, by observing this data, you can see that like cars have the classic cars has a major product quantity when rather compared to the motorcycles or the vintage cars. So this is one of my visualization. Now let us proceed uh towards dashboard. So we have our 10 visualizations. Let me delete this. Delete. It creates a mess for me. I'm sorry. So now Let us create the dashboards for the visualizations. So, so dashboards. So how to create a dashboard? So these are the data sheets which we have created. On the left side, you can find them. So first, let me select a floating. So go for a horizontal container. Mhm. Now go for a vertical container. Just drag and drop over here. Go for again a vertical container. Then this is for summary, let us say. So for writing the text into here, you need to select tiled. Make sure it is tiled. Then you have right data dashboard. ART. Oh, sorry. Mhm. So underlined, make sure like 18. Red color. So this is my data dashboard. Now what I'm doing. Here's my data. So what you can do is you can select here since you can't see the data, reduce the data size, and you can see the data. So similarly, you can trap. Mm, no, let me take a pie chart over here. Sorry. Let me select a floating container first, vertical container. Mhm. So the deal size can also be tracked on here. If you don't want the deal size, that's fine. So this is the I have just copied the data dashboard in the data sheet into this, just dragged it. Now I'm going to take a horizontal container to write the summary. Make sure it is tiled and text. So write the data. This is a automobile sales data. This dashboard contains two visualization Bar chart visualization is of ordered date and order number 13 November 2018 has highest orders among them. Next, let us see the pie chart. The pie chart contains of the deal sizes. There are small, medium, and large deals where medium has highest number of orders. If you want to change it to bold, you can change it to 15, 14. So, sorry. Here's my dashboard. So, I have created a dashboard with some of the data sheets, dragged it to it, and the summary. Now, let us see how we can let us create another dashboard so that you could see how we can attach an image. So, same procedure. Let's go to the horizontal. Let's drag a horizontal container over here. Vertical container, vertical. Mhm. Now, make it as styled text, data, dashboard, same. Bold, underlined. Oh, make it to medium. Yeah. So now I have already told you, like So I've given, and now I'll give a floating horizontal container or mhm. Let me give a vertical container over here. Mm, so I have similarly. Now let us see how we can add the image. So go for tiled. First select this because I want my image over here. So then select image, choose, choose the location. My local image is over here. So over here. So if you have seen my auto sales, this is my image. Now let me write my summary. This dashboard consists of two visualizations and a image. The fir- the first visualization is the quantity ordered from various cities, and USA ranks highest among them. The second visualization is about a map being related with the sales. The image is monthly new auto sales. It ranks from February 2020 to August 2020. May month in the month sales go higher. Old Times New Roman. So I've written this is my second dashboard. So I have written the sales and the summary. So this is all about my presentation. Like I have shown you first what is data cleaning, and then like what are the visualizations which I have created, and like the two dashboards. This is the Since we have 10 visualizations, we can't add all the data sheets into one visualization. So I have made two different visualizations. I'm showing how to add an image, like how to do the data dashboards. So this is all for it. Thank you.